Ever wanted to try a Japanese izakaya? Let's make your first visit super easy and fun.
So what is an izakaya? Think of it like a Japanese pub, but with a huge focus on amazing food.
Why go? The food's incredible, it's not expensive, and yeah, they're even family-friendly.
Okay, so you're ready to go. Let's walk through the whole experience, step by step.
First up, getting in. Just tell the staff how many people you have. That's it.
All right, you're at your table. The very first thing you're going to order is drinks.
You'll get a wet towel, called an oshibori, and a little appetizer, known as otoshi.
Now, here's the one big rule you gotta know. Everyone needs to order at least one drink.
Which brings up a really common question. What if you don't drink alcohol?
No problem at all. You can just order a soft drink, and that totally counts.
Okay, drinks are on the way. Now for the best part, ordering the food.
So, look over the menu and just place your food order when your drinks arrive. Simple.
And what if you want to order more later? Good question.
It's super easy. Just get the staff's attention and tell them what you'd like.
And a little heads up, some modern spots might have a tablet for ordering right at your table.
All right, you've had a great meal. Let's talk about the last step, paying up.
First, ask for the kaikei, that's the bill. They'll bring a slip and you take that to the cashier.
And just like that, you've done it. See, the whole thing is really simple and a ton of fun. So now you know exactly what to do. The only question is, what are you going to order first?